Hello, my name is Cristina and I'm going to talk about a project called Learning by Doing that takes place at San Miquel School. At San Miquel Primary School, they have always taken a practical approach to learning, not just because the number of immigrants is very high, at the level of language is very low. So the school decided to start a project, Learning by Doing. As an article of the Guardian newspaper points out, if children do this kind of activities, they grow in confidence because you give them a task to do. This was my teaching training school, which is situated in Cornellà de Llobregat, a town close to Barcelona. It is a little school where the main spoken language is Spanish and the level of English and Catalan is not very high. Attending a school where most of the pupils don't understand the common language results into a hard situation for a child of any age. For that, the headmaster decided to involve the children in practical activities rather than following textbooks. These activities were working with real food, if for example they were doing vocabulary or learning grammar by using online games on the digital blackboard. Also, one day a week they divide the class in two groups, not according to their level of English, but just to practice speaking in small groups. That means that there are two English teachers who completely know the problem of the school and they want to solve it by learning by doing. Doing these kind of lessons helps pupils to become self-confident and not to be afraid of learning a new language. And apart from contents, they learn values such as having peer respect or listening to classmates, for instance. However, teachers can also learn that at any age, pupils can learn a language by doing, and they have to cope with errors as a part of the learning process to keep their pupils confident. In my opinion, this kind of activities provides pupils with meaningful learning and ensure that they are active participants in all the process. On the other hand, these activities don't take place in many schools and only few students can take part in them. For me, there are no aspects that need to be changed because I saw the children learning and having fun instead of being bored in class. Moreover, the results of these projects are very successful because pupils are completely involved in their learning process, and the good atmosphere in class allows pupils to feel comfortable learning a new language. To sum up, being in this school during this period allowed me to learn two things. First of all, the diversity of children in class, or in this case in a school, can make you think about other kinds of activities that can motivate pupils to learn successfully in the teaching-learning process. And secondly, as a future teacher, I have also learned that it is essential to create a good atmosphere in class where pupils can be secure and feel confident about learning. Thank you for your attention.
Ja? Aprieto el vermell?